I think LCS in the future, I think we're on a really clear path to becoming the leader in property management software. We're doing a lot of work to modernize our experience and stay up with cutting edge technology. But more importantly, we're doing all of that in a way that solves real problems. I think, as we look at the world of AI and how quickly the world is changing and evolving and computers being able to do something every day that they couldn't do yesterday, we're being really intentional with that, and that all goes back to our problem solving. We're not asking ourselves, how can we just tack AI into Rent Manager? We're asking ourselves, what problems do our users have, and how can AI solve that problem? Is there an AI solution for that? I think all of that core value is going to lead us to continuing to build that trust with our users, and they know that we're not just here for gimmicks, we're here to support them and their needs, and that we will continue to just grow based on all of that. I think that's what's most exciting for me, is getting to experience all these new technologies. I'm a bit of a nerd, so I love getting to be on the forefront and cutting edge of what's coming next, but also the scale at which we can have an impact in our users' lives and really shape the future of what property management can be.
We're connecting those dots. We're making things easier for our users to not only set things up, but to use things in that natural way that they would use them in their everyday life. And so I think it's those workflows that just make it so much easier for them to feel more accomplished and to be more efficient in what they do. And that's important for us to have meaning, I think, and value in what we're doing, to see that they are experiencing that, they're getting excited about it. So one of the things I'm really excited about is we've positioned ourselves to not only continue to have our customers love us for that customer service side, but it's exciting to see that they are falling in love with the software and they're enjoying the use of that just as much as they enjoy working with our support members and team members every day.
We have to be aggressive. We have to go after it. We have to get ahead of the company needs. But at the same time, we have to be consistent. We have competitors that want to. They want our customer base. They want to take our market share. And so then how do we stay ahead of them? Well, that's continuous improvement. So we need to keep investing in the team. We need to keep investing in each individual's development, because that's something they can't replicate. They can't replicate the servant leadership culture that we have in this organization, where we put customers first. We take care of them no matter what, and in order to do so, we take care of and invest in each other. And that, I believe, if we continue to do that and support each other to be successful in improving our close rates and our processes, I think that we'll keep ourselves so far out ahead in terms of customer experience that there's no way that they'll ever catch us.
I always say it's a great time for the company, because it is. It seems like in every stage, but I think we have a lot of products that we've been working on for a number of years that are just kind of getting to the maturity level now that they can really take off and people use. And so I think that taking some of those products over the hump and getting them out there, but also expanding into other markets. There's lots of untapped areas that we can get into. One thing about this business, the reason I've been in it for so long, is it changes very quickly. Technology, platforms change, people change, how they operate, and the availability of devices, and how they access the software and data. In addition to all the partners that they have, it is very sophisticated, but it gives us lots of opportunity in a lot of areas. So it's growing in every direction, and I think that is what's exciting about it. So we're just going to keep expanding the markets that we're in and get into a couple new markets, still stay under control and not get too crazy, but we have a lot of growth ahead of us.